Hi, my name is Amy Siracusano and I'm a board member for the Reading League. Today I'm going to talk to you about the difference between digraphs, trigraphs, and blends. We're going to begin with digraphs, and these are two letters that sit side by side and they represent one speech sound in English. The first one is SH, the sound is sh, and the word here I have is ship. The next one is CK, the sound is k, and the key word I have here is duck. CK spelling pattern only shows up at the end of words in English. The next is CH, the sound is ch, and the word is church. Church actually has the same digraph twice, so CH represents one sound 2 times in the word church. Next we have the digraph TH. TH makes 2 different sounds, the noisy TH sound and the quiet TH sound. So if you put your fingers on your vocal cords and say that and this, your tongue and your throat will vibrate. Whereas when you say thick and thin, your tongue nor your throat vibrate and it is quiet. Next we have the digraph WH, as in the word when. And finally, we have the digraph PH, which represents the sound f in words like phone or in Greek origin words. Moving on to trigraphs. There are only 2 trigraphs in the English language. Trigraphs, from the prefix tri, meaning 3, represents 3 letters that sit side by side and they represent one speech sound. TCH says the sound ch, as in patch. We use the TCH spelling pattern after a short vowel. There are no words that end in the letter J in English. So, to represent the letter J in English, one way after a short vowel, like in TCH, is we can use the spelling pattern DGE, which says J, as in fudge. The next spelling pattern we're going to talk about are blends. Blends can be 2 or 3 letters side by side, and each letter maintains their own sound. So, for example, some beginning blends could be bull as in black, gr as in green, str as in stripe. Or these blends could come at the end of words, like ult as in felt, st as in best, clasp, which actually has a beginning and an ending blend, cool and sp. And the final one I have here represented is mpt, as in tempt. Now when we say mpt by itself, we don't really hear it when we say the word tempt. That p sound gets kind of smushed in there. And these are really hard for kids to read and spell because they don't always feel or hear the sounds. So we have to be really careful when we're teaching them to our students. Words can have digraphs, blends, or digraph blends. So to finish up our chat, I just wanted to share some examples of words that have both. As in the word trash, this has a beginning blend. The TR letters maintain their sounds, and the digraph SH says sh, one sound. So we have t, sh, trash. Then we have the word blend that has 2 blends in it, a beginning and an ending. B, u, e, n, d for the word blend. Now the last 2 words actually have what's called a digraph blend in them because they have a representation of both, as in the word bunch and lunch. Notice in these 2 words we use the digraph CH to spell the ch sound at the end of both of those words. And the reason why we do that is because we have the N blocking that short vowel. So we don't use the TCH in those words, we use the CH spelling sound to represent the sound ch. And actually, the NCH in both of those words is called a digraph blend. I hope this clarifies some things about digraphs, blends, trigraphs, and digraph blends, as they're very confusing for our early learners to learn to read and spell. And I hope this helps you to help your students or your children become better readers. Thank you for joining us today.